former President Donald Trump has filed an appeal to the U.S. Supreme Court asking the justices to overturn a ruling that he should be banned from the primary ballot in Colorado because of his actions and inactions on January 6th. It comes just over a week, of course, before the Iowa caucuses, the first contest where the former president's GOP rivals, Nikki Haley and Ron DeSantis, are, for some reason, fighting with each other more than with the former president. He is far ahead of them in the polls. Ed O'Keefe has the story.
Former President Donald Trump is taking another legal fight to the Supreme Court, this time asking the justices to overturn a Colorado ruling that removes him from the state's primary ballot under the 14th Amendment's insurrectionist clause. Trump's legal team argues if they don't intervene, it would be the first time in the history of the United States that the judiciary has prevented voters from casting ballots for the leading major party presidential candidate. Back on the campaign trail, the clock is ticking down for Trump's opponents.
Tricky Nikki.
And the attacks are picking up.
Ron DeSantis is lying. Literally every commercial he's running in Iowa, it's a lie. And he's lying because he's losing.
The two vying for second place, Ron DeSantis and Nikki Haley, are targeting each other as Trump remains far ahead. Campaigning across western Iowa, DeSantis, the Florida governor, still holding the second spot, threw punches in both directions.
Donald Trump is running on his issues. Nikki Haley's running on her donors' issues. I'm running on your issues.
Haley, the former UN ambassador, has been packing venues in New Hampshire and announced raising $24 million in the fourth quarter of last year. Financial momentum to back up a final stand in Iowa, where she and allied super PACs are targeting DeSantis.
Phony Ron DeSantis.
While Trump relied on South Dakota's Governor Kristi Noem, seen as a potential running mate, to make his case in Iowa last night.
And we're going to make sure that President Donald J. Trump is the next president.
Now, Trump himself is scheduled to be here on Friday and Saturday for a series of campaign events. Haley and DeSantis are appearing on televised town halls here in Iowa tonight. With just 11 days to go, Tony, the voters tell us they're sick and tired of seeing those ads, especially during the local news and football games.
Yeah, people have heard there is an election contest in this year, and they are ready for the ads to end. Ed, thank you very much. Appreciate it.